First you need to download an app called PicsArt. Then click on plus and then click on edit photo and click on background. And next choose the background you want. And next select the option called fit. And then select ratio. And next select YouTube. And click on the tick mark. And click on add photo. And you can add any photo you want. And you can place it wherever you want. And next click on the tick mark. And then click on text. Now you can type anything you want. And then click on the tick mark. You can also change the font and color. And also you can make the text big or small. I wanted another text, so I clicked on the option again. You can also bend your text. And then click on the tick mark. And then click on the download button and your thumbnail will be saved in your gallery.